Lamborghini decided to build the most aggressive yacht the world has ever seen. Meet the Lamborghini Tempesta 98, a 98-meter concept superyacht that looks like a raging bull unleashed onto the ocean. Every inch of this masterpiece screams speed, power, and Italian perfection. The razor-sharp bow slices through the waves like a supercar cutting through the air, while the matte Nero black carbon fiber body is accented with glowing Verde electric lines, inspired by Lamborghini's iconic styling. Step on board and you're welcomed by a futuristic cabin wrapped in Alcantara, forged carbon, and handcrafted Italian leather, where every seat feels like the cockpit of a $1 million hypercar. The owner's suite features a panoramic glass wall overlooking the endless ocean, a retractable skylight above the bed, a private infinity lounge, and a luxury spa bathroom finished in black marble and gold accents. On the upper deck, an infinity pool appears to float over the sea, surrounded by sun lounges and a rooftop helipad, while below deck, you'll discover a supercar-inspired entertainment lounge, a private cinema, a fully equipped gym, and a climate-controlled garage carrying 2 Lamborghini-inspired jet boats and 4 high-performance jet skis. Powering this floating beast are 4 next-generation hybrid turbine engines producing over 50,000 horsepower, pushing the yacht to an incredible top speed of 40 knots, making it one of the fastest luxury concepts ever imagined. Built for only 12 privileged guests and served by a crew of 30, the Lamborghini Tempesta 98 isn't just another yacht. It's what happens when the DNA of a raging bull meets the limitless freedom of the open ocean.